Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. This is 2018 BMW 2 Series. Have a look what happened here. SOS Call System Failure.
Have you ever faced a problem like this? What do you think? Feel free to share your insights by writing your decision in the comments below. Your input can make a difference.
This is bit common problem for this series. However, I need to take a computer report out from the computer because latest cars need to use the computer. I'm going to call health report. At the moment, there is a one faulty code, B7F341 Emergency Battery, hardware faulty. This is the thing we need to replace. It's called mini battery, or sometimes it's called telecommunication battery, but we are keeping this part with us normally because of the common faulty. Day to day some people turn up. This one not expensive. This is Mercedes part. Right, next step, I'm going to change the battery. Normally what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the battery and reset the light, but however this point I'm going to reset the battery first, and after that switch off the car and I'm going to change the battery. Let's go to the job. This smaller battery located inside, you can see here underneath. You can remove the apostle and read to the battery. You can see there is a white color tab. This tab need to pull, then it will come out. Just lift down this, pull this flap, it will come out. Need to do this thing. It's like a seal type. We have to break this one, like a pull out like this. Then after that we have access to the remove this battery. This is the battery. Take out from here. Right, like this. This is BMW parts. Part number slightly changed. I'll check with the dealer. They confirm both numbers matching each other. Then I can install new one. Just is going to the slot and lift up. It's still locked. Then after that I'm going to do the tape here. Right, all done. After that I need to this one install to the slot inside. If in the slot you can see this flap little bit come out. You can see right, click, it's in now. Then after that we have to install this upper sting. There is a two clips here and there. Right, all in. After that need to install this beading. Start from here. Right, hold and in nicely. Right, all jobs done in the boot. Then I'm going to the driver's seat. After that, I'm going to start the car. Nothing there. Switch off. Couple of times. Start and stop. Right. No warning at the dashboard. Then after that, I'm going to check with the computer any faulty code for the that repair. You can see all computer cleared. Done the repair. Now I want to make sure all working fine. You can see here, this is SOS call button. I'm going to call. Calling activate. It's ringing.
We received an emergency call. What happened?
Hi, no, we just done the repair of this SOS system. I want to make sure is it all working fine. I'm calling from Sanu Motors. All fine now. Thanks, madam.
Okay, have a nice day.
You
Goodbye.
too. Thank you. Bye. Right. You can hear all working fine. All light disappeared. If you have like this warning light, this is the person you need to change. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of useful video like this. See you with the next video.